A common question I get is, will this expandable container will blow away or leak during a severe typhoon? Honestly, it is a valid concern. Look at this framework. This is a 24 standard unit. It is weight already over 3.3 tons. This is our 24 standard expandable container house frame. You see this metal work, how it looks like. And even a very strong typhoon will not throw it away. It is over 3.3 tons. If you really worry about the water leakage, the wind leakage, we can also add a pitch wool over the expandable container. If you are really interested in our expandable container, quickly subscribe me, get code from me.